Let's go on the journey. So today I have the dark chocolate hot drink bum.
Let me see. So this is what it is. If you guys can see, it's kind of blurry. It's a hot chocolate bun. It got marshmallows in it. And I think it got a big heart-shaped marshmallow. Cool. She got her some warm milk, almond milk.
See my Chucky mug?
Yes, cool Chucky mug. So all you're supposed to do is just drop it in there and let it do its thing. Need help? You need help?
Yeah.
Okay. So just put that on your mug. Put it on your mug while I try to open it for you. Sorry, guys. There it is. Put it here, grab it. All right.
There you go.
I'm just going to drop it in there.
So drop it?
Yeah, just drop it in there. Ooh. Let's see, is it going to melt? Is it going to do its thing? The milk is warm, so it's supposed to like milk and stuff. Let me see directions. Heat roast the milk until very warm. Drop the bomb into the milk.
It probably just take a little minute.
Dissolve, stirring as needed, and watch the heart marshmallow explode. Okay, stir it like a little bit, and watch the heart dissolve. Let me see. I know it's warm because I made sure it was warm. Excuse my hands. My nails need to be done. It's melting. We trying to see that heart though.
I see it.
Open it here. Hold the camera on it.
Yeah, I see a little hint. I thought I cut off.
Yeah, me too. Come on, chocolate.
It take a little minute.
Yeah, it's taking. There it is.
Yeah.
You got it. Look.
Yeah. And the marshmallows.
Cool. I did it.
It look good.
Yum. So you just stir it up. You know, like the hot chocolate inside. You gotta stir it up. And there
Should I supposed to what is that? Is that a marshmallow?
That's a marshmallow. You can eat it last or hot. But you gotta stir in the cocoa. You do gotta stir the cocoa in the milk. Cool, guys. We got that from Target.
Yeah.
I forgot how much it was, so I don't even want to say because I honestly forgot. That's cool.
Yeah.
Look at there. She already eating the heart marshmallow. It's good. Does it taste like strawberry or just a regular marshmallow?
It tastes like strawberry.
You don't want it to melt inside your drink? You can. You do whatever you want. So make sure you stir in the powder, though. So when you drink it, you don't be drinking a bunch of powder. Cocoa, I mean. So what do you give it?
A 10.
10 out of 10 for the win. I hope they have some more. I'm going to go get a few more. All right.
I want you to try it, too.
Yeah, I'm going to try it. Okay, up here.
All right, so make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell to see another video like this. And make sure you comment down below to see another video like this. So bye.
Bye.